we need to learn to play our F major scale. Can you turn back one page to page 4? We're going to start with our left hand. Let's go ahead and float our bubble hand into F position. This is going to feel like our C major scale, but look down at your hand. What do we know about F major? What's our magic key? B flat. Do you see where that B flat is? Put your 2 finger on your B flat right now so that it's ready to play. And then we're just going to use the same fingerings. We're going to start down on our 5 and walk it up. You ready? 5, 4, 3. There's that B flat with our 2. We're going to play our 1 on the C, and then we're going to pop with our 3 finger. Pop it. Pop. New bubble. Keep going up to the E and end on the F. Yes. Did it feel like our C major? You just have to remember your magic key. And what's the magic key? B flat. Let's try that one more time. Let's come down to the bottom. And we're going to walk it up. Make sure your 2 finger is already set on that B flat. You ready? F, G, A, B flat, C. Now we're going to pop with our 3 finger on a, there's that D. Keep going up. E, F. Let's walk it back down. We're going to play our 1, 2, 3. Let's pop with our thumb. New bubble, and when we make our new bubble, make sure our 2 finger is already set on that B flat, and keep walking it down with your 3, 4, 5. That's pretty easy. Now, to play the right hand, it's going to feel a little bit different. Now, right now, you're going to have to tell your pinky finger that he's not invited to the F major scale party. He's going to be really sad, but he never plays when we play the F major scale in the right hand. It's a little bit different. I want you to listen to how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different than I played before. Did you hear the fingers I said? I want you to watch what my fingers. Can you say that with me again and watch what my fingers are doing? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different than I played before. Did you see what my fingers did? Come back down. Did I pop after my 3 finger? No, I made it all the way up to my 4 finger on our magic key. What's the magic key? B flat. I want you to try that with me. Put your right hand into F position. We're going to make it all the way to our 4 finger before we're going to pop. Can you do the chant with me? You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to pop. This is a big pop. Make sure you're not using chicken elbow wings. You're going to use your thumb to pop to the C. You're going to make your new bubble. That's your 1, 2, 3, 4. Did my pinky ever get to play? No, he never gets to play. Let's try that again. You ready? Not until the 4 will we pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Different than I played before. Do you think we could come back down? We're going to start with our 4 finger. Should we say the numbers? 4, 3, 2, 1. And what will we need to pop with? It's going to be our 4 finger. We've never done that. Same thing. Use your strong muscles to get to that 4 finger on the B flat, new bubble, and finish it out. Let's start at the top one last time. We're going to put our 4 finger, no 5 finger, no pinky, and let's chant it. 4, 3, 2, 1, pop. 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, my F scale's lots of fun. That's so fun. It's a little bit different. Do not ever play hands together on your F scale. Make sure you play those separately.